Welcome. If you want to block ads in your ZTE Axon 11 5G, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, then tap on the search pool and type here Opera Mini. We are going to download this browser, and I'm going to show you really fast how easily you can block the ads without connect any external application to your browsers. So just wait for our app. Here it is. So right now we can open. Accept the permissions. Click here, and right now we have to check if the ad blocking is turned on like that. So right now we can enter the website, for example this one. We don't want to switch to the reader mode, and as you can see here we got the notifications that the first ads were blocked, and it's thanks to the partnership with the AdBlock Plus. So right now when we scroll down we cannot find here any ads, as you can see, and when we tap here one more time we can check how many ads were blocked, and in this case we're 11 blocked ads. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.